Are you ready to take your Pokemon Go adventures to the next level? Fly GPS is a highly sought-after tool among game enthusiasts, allowing you to change your location in the game. Let's dive into how you can use Fly GPS to soar through Pokemon Go. Part 1. How to use Fly GPS Pokemon Go Android. First and foremost, download the Fly GPS app from the Google Play Store on your Android device. Once the app is installed, before using it, ensure that you enable developer mode on your device. Just go to Settings, tap About Phone, go to Build Number, and tap on it 7 times. Then search for Mock Location app and select Fly GPS. Then open the Fly GPS app. Choose a location, and then hit on the Please Select the menu pop-up. On the next pop-up, select GPS Service Run, and lastly, select Joystick Location Mode. With this, you will have spoofed your location, and will have enabled Fly GPS Joystick Pokemon Go. But it may not be helpful and stable. You can use PoGoskill to change your location too. Part 2. One click to Fly GPS Pokemon Go Android with PoGoskill. PoGoskill is a desktop-based application that you can safely download on both your phone or computer and use to spoof your GPS coordinates on your mobile device. It's stable and easy. Installing PoGoskill from the link below, connect your device to your PC with a cable. Here, I will use Pokemon Go to show you guys. Just simply choose your spoofing method and click on Start to modify to begin spoofing your location in Pokemon Go. Then it will be done. I will leave the free download link in the comment for you to try it out. Okay, hear it all for today. If you want to securely fly GPS Pokemon Go on Android, then PoGoskill will be the way to go. Like and subscribe and leave a comment to tell us how it goes. See you next time!